Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us this fine morning. How
Yeah.
is everyone doing today? Good. How are you doing today, Karen?
I'm doing great. I woke up feeling refreshed and energetic, ready for the new camp day. What about you, Maria?
Me too. So excited for all the amazing activities that our counselors have planned for you guys. You guys will wait and see, but a lot of amazing stuff today.
Yes, for sure. Let me just switch to another slide.
Okay, so we'll start off with our first question of the day. So what have you learned this week? I know in leadership we talk about the 7 habits. Maybe you want to talk about one of those things that you've done. Or in STEAM, we've talked about space and constellations. Maybe you've learned something about that and you want to share that with the group. We'd love to hear. Okay.
Yes.
And yes.
Good
Okay.
morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, a space
Rockets work.
shuttle.
Amazing. How rockets work. Amazing.
Space. Awesome.
Awesome. Facts about space. Yes, absolutely. I think it's cool too learning about space because really you could keep learning and learning because space is really just kind of so long, so out there and everything, and there's so many to still be discovered, right?
I found out that it's
Listen.
good to listen before you speak. Definitely. That's a great answer. UFOs.
Absolutely. Constellations. Yes. Okay. Okay.
How they run in space. You might have to teach me. I don't really know how they run in space. That sounds interesting. NASA.
Absolutely.
Okay, I think maybe we can move on to our activity. So our activity for you all today, this fine morning, is going to be a little space trivia, just to fit the theme of the week. So let me ask the first question. We're going to start off a bit easy. Okay. So what is the hottest planet in our solar system? Is it Mercury, Venus, Earth, or Jupiter? So let us know what you think in the comments.
I wonder how hot it gets, to be honest, would you be able to stand on it? Would it feel like hot rocks? I don't even know. Oh, we have some answers.
Oh, okay. Oops. That went really quick. Okay, I'm seeing Mercury, Venus, Mercury.
Okay.
I think it's pretty split, but now I'm seeing a lot of Venuses.
Okay. Oh, I see some Mercury, some Venus.
Oh, it all came in at once.
Yes.
Okay, I think the majority has said Venus.
Yes.
Shall we reveal the answer?
Let's see.
It is Venus. Great job, everyone. I think quite a few of you said Venus, so that's amazing that you all, or most of you, knew the answer. And just moving on to the next question. Oops. Okay, so this might be an easy one, but we'll see. What planet is known as the red planet? Is it Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, or Mars? Let us know. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Oh, I saw one Venus. I'm seeing mostly Mars.
Yes, that's what I'm seeing most D's. Ooh, a whole lot of D's just came in. I'm seeing B, C,
D. Okay.
Just gonna wait a couple more seconds for everyone's answers to come in. I'm seeing an overwhelming amount of D.
I do see some C now, though,
Yes,
right?
I see some C's. Okay, I'm seeing some B's. Okay. I think we can reveal the answer. It is Mars. So a lot of you are right, and we're so happy that so many people know so much about trivia, or not trivia, about space trivia. And I'm going to hand it over to Maria for the next question.
Sounds great. So we're going off into our next question. So what is the name of the first satellite sent into space? Is it A, the Sputnik? Is it B, the Ariel? Is it C, the Sentinel? Or D, Aqua? So these are all like real satellites that like went into space, but which one was the first one? Okay, so let's see what everyone thinks. We could take a guess. The questions are getting a little bit harder, but go ahead, take a guess. If you know it, great, go ahead. Let us know.
I'm seeing B, C, B, C, C. I'm seeing a lot of C's. C1A. Oop.
Okay.
C. Okay. A lot of mixed answers for this question.
Absolutely. Okay. I think we're ready. So we see C, Sentinel. I'm seeing C or A. So let's see what our answer is.
Okay, let's see.
So the answer was A. The Sputnik was actually the first satellite to be sent into space. Imagine that, like, so cool. Now we use satellites all the time for like phones, and then like for it to be able to work, right? So very cool. Thank you guys. We'll go on into our next question of the day, which is the oldest planet in our solar system? So is it A, Saturn? Is it B, Venus? Is it C, Jupiter? Or is it D, Earth? What do we think? So like imagine how old that planet is. Wow. Like that's really cool, put into perspective.
All the planets are pretty old, but this one is the oldest. Okay, I'm seeing Earth. Okay. A whole bunch of them always come at the same time. Mercury.
Could be.
Jupiter. Earth. Pretty mixed too for this one, but I'm seeing a lot of C's and D's.
C, D. Okay, yes. So I'm definitely, a lot of C and D. So I think to break the tie, let's go ahead and see what the answer is. Jupiter is the answer. Oh my goodness. It is 4.603 billion years old. I'm just trying to imagine all the zeros now in my head, how that all works out. But very, very old. And congrats to all of you that got it right. Oh my, that's amazing space trivia.
And let us know which is your favorite planet.
Yeah, absolutely. Like, I know they just said like recently that Pluto isn't a planet because it's like very far away. But if you want to include Pluto, go ahead. If Pluto's your favorite.
Yeah. Or if you don't have a favorite, if you were to travel to one planet, which one would it be?
Yes.
Okay. Earth and Mars and Jupiter.
Ooh, that's like a space adventure right in there.
Yeah. Somebody said the moon.
Ooh,
that's a good one too.
That's nice.
My favorite is Jupiter.
Okay.
All of them.
Nice. Oh,
Mars.
Saturn.
Saturn, that's a good one. Mars. One of Mars. Oops.
Earth. Perfect.
Earth and a lot of people want to go to the moon. Oh, Titan,
Oh,
Saturn. Ooh, the
yeah,
sun.
that would be cool.
Oh, I love the jungle.
Jo-
Oh, yeah, a lot
mm,
of people want to go to the moon, which I think is a really good answer. I would love to go to the moon too. Mars to hang out with aliens.
yeah.
That's funny. None, I would say on Earth. That's fine too. There's a
Yeah,
lot of places on the Earth
yeah.
to go to. Mars, so I can get a Mars bar.
Mars bar is
Lots
Earth
and
and the moon.
lots of
Earth, yeah.
planets. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, maybe we can move on to our next question. Okay. So, how many Earths could fit inside of the sun? And you can just
Whoa.
ignore the little descriptions. So, is it 10, 10,000, 1,000,000, or 1 billion?
Okay, so
Might
now we
be
kind of
hard.
kind of have to use a little bit of math,
Yeah,
like if you know like how big the sun is and how much you can put into it, that feet. I wonder, Earth's 10.
1 billion. I'm
Mhm.
seeing a lot of 1 billions. This
Oh,
is a really hard question. Maria and I didn't know until we
no,
actually did research. So don't even worry if you get this question wrong. We're
right?
all learning.
Absolutely,
Okay.
because the sun really is really big, right? Because it
Mhm.
gives light to like all the planets. So imagine to reach like the farthest one, like it has to be really big. So I wonder how many Earths it can fit.
I'm seeing a lot of C's and
Okay,
D's.
okay.
So I think it's down
Mhm.
to either 1 million Earths or 1 billion Earths can fit inside of the
Mm,
sun.
either way, a lot of Earths,
Yeah.
really.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, I'm seeing a lot of C's and D's. Okay, I think we can reveal the answer. I wonder what it is. C or D. So it is 1 million. So 1 million Earths can fit inside of the sun, around
Oh,
approximately.
really?
Isn't that crazy, Maria? That's
That is. I'm
wild.
like trying to imagine because visually, right? Like how many Earths and everything, and how like even when I look outside my window, I see the sun and it doesn't look that big, right? But in reality, it's humongous.
So
Mm,
1 million, which is 6 zeros, can fit inside of the sun.
right. Oh, okay. I think we have another fun fact in here. Like,
Yes.
yeah, look at that. 1,000 Jupiters fit in the sun. Oh my God. So Jupiter must be so much bigger. Like, I don't know how to do the math on that one, but
Mhm.
compared to the Earth, Jupiter actually is really, really big.
Yeah, and that just puts it into perspective how big Jupiter is as a planet. Wow, the sun is so big. I know, right?
Yeah, right?
Okay. So, our next question, Maria, do you want to take this on?
Sure. So, question similar to your favorite one, but this is now asking which one would you go to? Now that we learned a little bit, we know that Mars is a red planet. We see the moon. We know the sun is really, really big. We know Jupiter is also the oldest one. So, where would you guys go if you could go and you're going on your mission or you're just going on a trip? You get your stuff. Saturn. Ooh, okay, Uranus. Cool. The moon, right?
Jupiter is 11 times bigger than the
Bigger.
Earth.
Thank you for letting us know that.
Yes, thank you. Where would you go, Maria?
That's a great question. I think maybe Jupiter because like it's so old. So I'd be like how does everything look? Is it all like crumbly or is it all good? Like how has it maintained itself over all these years? How about you?
Yeah, same. I was gonna say that because it's the oldest, and now knowing how large it is, I would love to see it in real life.
Right. Oh, Mars. Absolutely.
Jupiter.
Explore. Yep. Know more things about it. Exactly. Like what scientists do, right? When they explore new things and they figure out everything about it. 300,000 times bigger. It's really big. It's really big.
Yes.
Yeah, exploring.
Only
Okay.
the moon. I'm seeing
Moon.
a lot of the moons.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you all for your answers. And since I think we have a little bit of extra time, we would love to know as coordinators and as counselors what activities you would like to see in your next weeks of camp. So is there something like you want to see more of? Activities that you really enjoy that you would love your counselors to do again or extend upon? For example, like coding or slime. Something that you
Right?
really, really love that you would love to see again. And we can definitely let our counselors know. So Kahoot or booklets.
Chocolate.
Ooh,
Okay, okay.
cooking.
Cooking. That'd be nice, right?
That's a good one, yes. Who doesn't
Yeah.
like
Someone.
cooking and then eating what they made?
Yeah. Or eating along the way as you're cooking.
Yes, yes. I know one of the 9 to 11 groups did rocket ship fruit skewers this week.
Whoa. That's cool. You see, you blast off and you can also eat it.
I'm seeing quite a lot of cooking,
Okay.
quite a lot of Kahoots is definitely always a favorite.
Oh, coding. I see some coding.
Yes, I'm seeing a lot of coding and baking.
Nice.
I'm seeing some slime.
Slime. Classic.
Yes, for sure. Everyone loves slime too.
Right.
Slime or coding and Kahoots. I'm seeing lots of similar answers, which is nice. A lot
Yes.
of people have common interests, which we can definitely tell our counselors. Kahoots.
Absolutely.
And these can also be new activities too that you may have, enjoyed in school or enjoy on your
Yeah.
free time. And you would love to see it in camp as well. We always want to create the best and most fun and engaging activities for you all. Ooh, learning about animals.
Wow. Well, that's a really great idea too, because next week is actually Adventure Week. So we'll be talking about different environments, animals, and we'll be doing activities based on that. So you're ahead of us on that. Thank you. We'll definitely keep that
Yes,
in mind.
we gave a little sneak peek of the theme of next week. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of coding. Ooh, I saw history. Maybe, we can learn the history of something.
Oh,
That would be interesting. That's a great suggestion.
yes. Right? They say to understand something more, you can research its history, right? So absolutely.
Yes, for sure. Yes, so let us know what activities you want to see. I'm seeing lots of Kahoots. I'm seeing being counselor.
Okay, leadership. I love that. Leadership is another thing. Definitely,
Mm,
you guys want to let our counselors know you guys can lead an activity with them, maybe.
that's a great suggestion too.
Yeah.
Okay. Seeing a lot of coding, which is nice to see, especially because Maria and I are your STEAM coordinators.
Team.
Okay, I think we can wrap up. So again, thank you so much for all your participation. Maria and I appreciate it so much this morning, and we hope you all have an amazing, amazing session and a great week. We will see you in our session 1 meets, which begin at 10 o'clock. So please make sure you check your Google Classroom for the session 1 link. And we will see you all. Have a great day.
Bye, everyone. Thank you again.
Bye.